Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the users and accounts section and tap add account. Then select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to perform this operation. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Okay, so then you have to select who will be using this device, you or your child. I guess you should select I will be using this device. Tap next. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. So if you want to enable it, just left this option on. If you don't want to enable it, just disable it right here and then tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to delete this account, just tap here and confirm. Select remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.